everyone in terms of installer, regardless of installer, retailer, or even us OEM, we get to learn about other people, other companies, as well as the Smart Installation program, what they provide, what they offer. And I think it's really a good event for us to join in. Us as a member, we also do learn quite a lot while in the event, as well as helping others to get to know better about our products. And that can help guide and teach them how they can install our products with ease and no issues. Today I'll be highlighting the new inverter that's coming up, which is H3 Pro. It is a 3-phase inverter that can take up to 2 battery stacks in independent strings that can connect into this inverter. And also the CQ6 battery, which is a much denser, higher capacity of a battery stacks that we offer. I would say one thing for us easy is that it's a plug and play. One thing is we don't really need to tell everyone about our high capacity and what our specs of our product, because it's already out there. But I think the important thing for installers is that they would find our product is much more of a plug and play. The battery can just stack up. It's easy to install. Just plug it in. If they need anything, they just follow our instructions in installation guide, and it'll be easy, smooth. And all of our products are compatible with one another, making it you can do mix and match as well. And the fact that we are capable of doing AC couple as well. If you have existing inverter, you don't want to remove it, done. You just have to, you still want our battery, get our inverter, have it AC couple. We can work together without an issue.